So I've just closed out the Focus project and now it's time for something even bigger. Today we're going to see if this forgotten legend has any life left in it. 1994 Toyota Supra. Today's going to be the first start and first drive in over 5 years. So this is my mate Chaz's car. So he's going to tell us a little bit about it and why it's in this sorry state.
Well, I bought it as it was my childhood dream car basically. Bought it about 10 years ago. Back then when I was reading things like Fast Car, I saw something in there saying for £5,000, £6,000 budget you could get either, I could have got a Nissan 350Z or even a Mustang or this, and this came up and it was up for £6,000. Yeah, I snapped it up.
It looks like it was, at some point, it was a very nice car, to be honest.
Well, it's a Japanese import, so
okay.
Now when I got it, it's Mrs.'s car, in fact. But I mean,
one lady owner.
Yeah, one lady owner, couldn't fight that. He said it just came as it is. So all the mods were here done in Japan.
Had a lot of money spent on it, hasn't it?
Yeah. So what I found out afterwards, had a Jap Speed stainless steel exhaust. It's been polybushed. It's got the two-tone leather interior. It was done as like a duck wing to start with. Had the spoiler removed. I've since put that on, and really beyond that,
body kit.
Well, the body kit, yeah, the body kit was, so it was originally I think they called it a JDL body kit. So you got the flared rear arches. It did have a different bumper, but it was so low, it just hit every speed bump. I mean, it still scrapes bumps at the moment. It used to be my daily, and then I got the RAV4, the workhorse. It's got forgotten.
So, I think it's time we, yeah,
give it a start test.
Get some fresh fuel in
there first, yeah.
And yeah, get a jump back on it. See if she's going to fire up. God, that ain't been opened in a while.
Wait. It's got a little cap holder.
Oh, you got one of them?
They all got one of them because it's quality GT motor, isn't it?
Jack's thought of everything. Is she going to start? That's what I want to know.
In my history, it's always started first time. Always started first time.
But it's never sat as long as this before, is it?
It is the longest it has sat.
Right, battery on. How's this going?
It does slide in, slides into the. Is there a hole? No, that's it. No,
yeah, I am in.
It just goes in a groove. Yeah, that's
right.
it. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, yeah.
We are going to check, see if it's got any oil in it. Right, we're going to be sticking some Valvoline 5W30 in it. I think that was about a litre that went in.
Yeah, I can see that, it's good.
First start of the Toyota Supra that's been sat for 5 years. We're going bareback with no jump pack. Let's see what happens. Come on! She lives!
Face his eyes. They lit up.
We got smoke.
You want to leave it running or not?
Yeah, I think that the manifold's blowing. So we had a bit of smoke coming from down here. I think there is a blow on the manifold, and possibly looks like the rocker cover is slightly leaking. So yeah, a little bit of investigation needed there. Next up, let's get some air in the tyres. So as I didn't bring an extension lead with me, we can't find one.
You bought a Sparky. Luckily you bought a Sparky.
Yeah, and we are, well, I say we're making one. Quick disclaimer.
I am a trained professional electrician. Do not try this at home.
You heard it. Don't try this at home.
Or anywhere.
We just want to get this Supra running and driving. Right, here we go. Straight from the socket.
Oh,
don't touch that.
Left your man behind.
There's our socket. Let's plug in and get these pumped up.
This breaks down on the way home. I'm leaving you behind.
Top gear rules, yeah.
That's good camera.
This is so sketchy. Oh, this one's proper flat. First slide coming up. Well guys, as you can see, it's moving under its own power for the first time in 5 years. We've been really lucky with this one so far. I mean, to start first time without the jump pack was awesome, and now it's moving. I was fully prepared to free off the brakes if they were seized, but you know, no need. Now we just need to get this beast home. Come on, let's do it. Turns out, I'm driving it back. She's running and driving. Although the brakes are pretty much non-existent, but oh, it sounds awesome. Listen to this. Right, it's the next day, and as you can see, the forgotten Supra has made it home.
I have had this as a daily driver for about 3-4 years. That is when I found out that 3 litres is still not enough. So I did go and buy myself an XS turbo kit with the view to turbo up.
So is that something that we're going to be looking at doing?
Well, I think once
Supra project.
Well, definitely there's perspective. You know, we need to get back on the road. It's first things first, isn't it? I wouldn't mind getting back in behind the wheel again, rekindle the love for it. You know, the bits I did do before is dismantle a whole lot. All the arch trims have all been pulled off. I've had this bumper off because we had to say we broke the JDL bumper. I've got back to OEM. This is the second OEM bumper I've had because the first one got ripped off. Got the TDR splitter. As I say, we put the big brakes on. So these are much meatier. The geezer I got them off of, they're second hand. He's drilled and slotted them as well. You said when they've gone a bit and they've just corroded, we might be able to bring them back to life.
Yeah, they definitely, when I drove it, they were, yeah, I was getting a lot of judder on the pedal.
Yeah, these wheels are much to be desired. They've seen a hell of a lot of abuse over the years.
Might come back to life with a little refurb.
Yeah. It looks like the front has dropped a bit. So the suspension's been changed on the rear. We put in the OEM I-back springs, and then yeah, as I say, all this is all moulded, so we don't know what's going underneath. No, we'll have to get underneath and have a look at the chassis and see how that's holding up. We had to put shims on. It's got about 20mm shims just to fit the wheels over the brakes.
Yeah, I can see on the front there was, yeah, that was quite close, wasn't
it?
Yeah,
as you see, you know, the rear bumper, it's got a split there. That's where that's been blended in there. I do like the rear bumper. I did like the front, but it's in pieces at the moment. So hopefully, I mean, I was going to get a guy to rebuild it. No, he's going to take some molds and hopefully offer that design out to other people on the forum. We lost touch. I'm sure we could get back in touch, or maybe some viewers know good people to get mouldings made. This is the same guy as the one who built the TDR spoiler. One thing where I have noticed, I will get water ingress.
Is this a one-off custom spoiler? Like, would you find that on another Supra?
It's a TDR replica. Right, so it originally was a TDR spoiler. but it's been built on, no, the geezer's made the mouldings of these, and he still makes them to this day.
Okay.
Well, I'm say he made them till the day I bought this, at least. Lights are, we've got a bit issue on that. I noticed when we was driving it back the other day, one of the lights is out, so we'll have to have a quick go over the lights when we're before the MOT. I'm an electrical engineer, so electronics is my forte. So I was straight in under that dash. I've had that dash in and out a number of times.
Would that have been white from factory, or is that something you've done?
No, so that originally, so if you, I'll take the camera in here. Originally, the previous owners had a stick-on trim, that greeny gold colour, and that was stuck to every bit of the dash on the side there, all the switches. It was very dated, so that's the last little essence of that bit there left over. So no, I stripped it all down, and I originally did a wrap. My wrapping skills were not that great, so it's a plastic dip.
Bit of an art.
Yeah, plastic dip away, and it's been. Yeah. No, I thought it would. I
didn't realise that was plastic dip.
Yeah, that's been on, and that's been on for a good while.
Yeah, it's come out well because I've got the plastic dip on the E21. It's great stuff. So where the magic happens. Engine is standard at the moment?
Yeah, so this is OEM 3 litre straight 6. I have been buying up parts, so I actually bought a whole second block. I managed to find a second block for £100, turned over first time, so I actually got that on a jack somewhere. I was intentionally going to build up the block and the turbo and then drop it in. I know people have just built the turbo in situ. I've got the spare, so this is automatic. So I've got the auto box from a twin turbo as well, so that's uprated. Nice. That will need a bit of, if we was going that way, we'd have to splice the two boxes together as such, you know, to get it to hold the rating. I don't know where the space for all this turbo is going to go, but yeah. So we've got a new.
It's been done, hasn't it? It's been done, so it works.
We've got a new exhaust manifold. So we've got a banana manifold. I've got the uprated fuel injectors. I've got an ECU. I'm not sure whether that's going to do the job or not. The turbo and intercoolers are all in there. All the pipe works there.
This all sounds like a very interesting Belo's Bangers project.
It does. Please, Belo, can you make the Supra happen?
So next steps for the Supra, good inspection, get round it.
So I'm going to get all the parts together. We're going to make a whiteboard. We're going to get a list. We're going to get what we need to get through the MOT. That's phase one.
Yep. We know we've got issues with the brakes. Possibly manifold blow there.
We saw a bit of smoke. We've got lights that are out of
like
substandard
lights, which we found out last night.
We've got legal lights.
Rocker cover gasket.
Emissions might be an issue. So we'll have to see what's the story with that.
So generally a good look over it.
Yeah. And then even once it's passed its MOT, do we trust it to go cross country? No. I mean, I want to be able to tour it again. So just get it all tightened up. We need to get all the trims back on. There's rattly wires and stuff like that.
I did notice, there's stuff going on with a bumper, isn't there?
Yeah, this is all kind of hanging off. We could be doing a bit more like bracing.
So there's a bit to do,
the wheel arch liners are all being removed. There's an undercover here. So there should be a cover under the engine bay that's all been removed. I've got all these parts. It's just where it needs to be. Yeah, just needs that TLC.
So, in conclusion, a lot of maintenance, get this MOT'd, get it back on the road. So that will be in the next video, I reckon. So thank you very much for watching. If you've liked this opening episode on the Supra, stay tuned for more because we'll be getting right into this. Thanks for watching, guys.